Dear educators, here are the quick and easy steps to access the digital resources from Charles Baker books that you've prescribed.
Don't forget to check your email inbox for the email sent by us containing your username and password. Step 1. Login. Access the website link provided in the email or directly visit our website at digital.charlesbaker.co.uk. Click on the Login button to open the login page, then enter your username and password. And press Sign In button. Step 2. Open book. Once logged in, you'll see an interface displaying all your prescribed books. Simply click on the book you wish to open. Now, you'll notice options for all the resource items accompanying your prescribed book. The blue book icons represent chapter-wise video lessons, while on the right, there are view buttons to access the e-book, flipbook, teacher resources book, question bank, worksheets, and more. Step 3. How to use flipbook, e-book, and download the teacher resource pack. To begin, click on the View button down to the flipbook to open it. Then, click on the Click Me to Start button. You can skip the Charles Baker intro video if prompted. Now that the flipbook is in front of you, you can turn its pages by clicking on the Next and Previous buttons. Alternatively, you can also turn the pages using your mouse. If you spot a play button next to specific topics, clicking it will offer you a detailed video focused on that topic.
Chapter 1. Mother gives her 4 cards.
Similarly, for interactive exercises, you'll find a similar button for accessing them.
Try again.
In the Contents page, you'll find arrow buttons allowing you to navigate directly to specific pages. Additionally, below the book, you'll discover numerous tools and buttons including Home, Contents, Spotlight, and more. To access the e-book, click on the View button. Once opened, you'll find a preview of the entire book. You can scroll through the pages using your mouse cursor and also expand to full screen. Additionally, you can access language and theme options. Similarly, you can open the items of Teacher's Resource Pack, Lesson Plan, Teacher's Resource Book, Question Banks, Worksheet. Now know the process to download Teacher's Resources materials. To access the item, simply click the View button. It will open up in a user-friendly interface resembling an e-book. However, if it's a teacher's resource material, you'll notice an additional download button located within the settings icon. Clicking on this download button enables you to easily download the material for your use. This is how you can easily download and access teacher's resource material.